what is that co-innovation? Could you give us like a tangible example of something like that to make it
real?
So
I'll maybe take a few examples there. When you look at new processes like what we are seeing in the liquid to chemicals, you take naphtha, go to ethanol, then go to propane from there. Now the technology has been developed, but it'll take some partners along with us to really bring that technology to life. It can cause more than 40% less capital expenditures. It can reduce carbon emissions by 30%. Now, that's a very big impact on the planet, but it requires investments, and therefore, companies have to come together.
Let's go back a bit talking about AI and automation, which you mentioned. From an industrial perspective, where do you see this going? How fast is it going to accelerate? And what does it really have the potential to do that's very exciting?
So, first of all, I think it's already been on. It's just got the attention. We created this platform called Forge, thinking a lot about OT automation, and that was done 5 years back. So already that capability exists. I think with the capabilities that are coming in with the public cloud on AI, what we're being able to do is now get it at scale to a lot of companies across the planet. That's where I think the IT and the OT worlds collaborate to expand this very quickly. The good part is that we have been delivering a lot of this IoT data and control systems capability for a long time. So a lot of install base can quickly get onto the AI capability and drive it. And the last bit there is cybersecurity, because very increasingly you will see threat actors not just looking at IT systems for cyber attacks, but also OT systems. And for large industrial companies, that's a very real threat today. And that is where we come in again in a very big way, because we've seen that OT operations technology arena for a long time, and therefore can help them.